Okay, this is just a quick video about the homework assignment about data ethics and consent. Hopefully you've watched those other videos where I talk about the big ideas a little bit broader. This is going to go a little bit deeper and more specific. So this first page here, it has some links at the bottom which link to some ethical codes that we need to do. And I have 3 case studies that you're going to be looking at. So what you're going to do is read the 3 cases, and for each case, make sure you understand what's going on. Then draft a recommendation. This should be maybe a paragraph or 2. And the way this is set up is you can write it right underneath the case on this Google Doc. It's going to make a fresh Google document for you as soon as you click on it. Then after you make your own recommendation, go ahead and look at a policy document. So one of these, however many there are here linked, these first 4 are probably the most interesting. This one is a government page, and this is where the cases come from. And see what their ideas are about ethics and how their ethics ideas would apply to this particular case. If it all matches, cool. If there's maybe something pulling in 2 directions, I want you to talk about that for a little bit. If you feel like there's a mismatch between what you wrote and what they did, think about whether you want to change your idea, or if it's something more complicated, or maybe their policy doesn't address the specific case. Then I have a couple other discussion questions that you answer for the cases from that Big Data Ethics and Society group. They have some questions embedded. For the one from 538, I have questions listed. So the idea is you're going to write a page about each one. You need to do the 538 one, which is case number 1, and either case 2 or 3. If you want to do the 3rd case, that's fine, and you'll get a few bonus points for that. But this is another one of those writing assignments. It's meant to sort of be right here in the middle of the semester, kind of while you're doing your midterm, while you're getting ready for your midterm. So you can either do this as a study break while you're studying for your midterm, or right after the midterm, you have a little bit of a pause before you start learning more coding material. So anyway, it shouldn't take you too long to do. I know some of you like writing more than others, and that's certainly okay. Some of you like coding more than others. But do the best you can here. And again, we'd like to have a 1-page answer about each of the cases, so about 2 pages total. When you're done, you just click submit, and this document that you've been writing right on gets submitted for you. So if you have any questions, drop me a line, but otherwise, this is the ethics and consent homework assignment.